Hello guys, today I'm here with another YouTube video which is on flash sales for MI phones which is running for their devices. Actually these phones, especially the Redmi Note 5 Pro, are in huge demand because they have incredible specifications as these are value for money devices also. And no wonder MI is the number one smartphone brand in India, beating Samsung in this field over the rulers since ages. So to begin with, I have developed a tool to buy Redmi Note series phones where it can auto buy the phone for you in Flipkart's flash sale, and this works 100% without any issues. This is not any kind of extension like Flipshop, Price Tracker or something which people generally use to get their phones. The truth is that no one gets to buy these phones via these extensions because I feel all these extensions are fake and just they are used to increase their business and make money. These people also pay many tech reviewers and they flaunt with their extensions to get more money. That's it. But in this video, I will show you how to buy these kind of phones during flash sales from Flipkart. Okay, to begin with, you must have the software itself installed in your PC. I will provide you the link for the same in the description box. And also you must have the JDK version 1.8, that's the Java Development Kit 1.8 version. It's a freeware software so you can download it from Google. That's not an issue. I have already installed this software and I will show you how to proceed. Now, okay, so this is the jar file which I was talking about. So you just have to open this. Okay, it's taking a bit of time, I guess. One thing which you need to remember is that make sure you have already set your default delivery address and saved your card details in your account because this will save a lot of time and increase your accuracy in getting these phones in these flash sales. As you can see here, it is already mentioned Chrome is being controlled by automatic test software. Now it's asking me to enter the login details. I will enter the same. Now you just have to wait for a minute because I have programmed this in such a way that there is a time interval between the password as well as the mobile number or email address which has been entered. You just don't have to click on this login button. This tool will automatically do that thing for you. Till then, you can have a cup of tea probably. And as you can see, this is already logged in now. My mouse cursor is on the right. I'm not doing anything with my mouse. So as you can see, you just have to enter your CCV number and click on this pay button and bang on, this phone will be yours within few seconds. So the thing is, I have mentioned this for only Redmi Note 4 phone. I will create a similar video for Redmi 5 Pro itself. The software for the same is different but kind of similar to this. So I guess everything is crystal clear now. So thank you for watching this video guys. Please do subscribe, share and comment so that I can make more videos on this. That's it from me, your host and your host JJ signing off. Till then, tata, see ya, bye bye.